Well, guys, this is worth telling you. He's explaining me that how to use the machete. So he's basically telling me that when you have the machete, you need to put your hand like sometimes they cut their hands or their leg. So what you need to do is that you need to actually put it behind your back and also your leg, because sometimes you do the thing want to slice something, and actually you don't get to cut the tree or the leaf or whatever, and the machete continues and it could hit your leg or your hand. So he's explaining me the right technique. ¿Cómo es la técnica entonces? Así. La idea es no hacer eso, sino en la espalda y también guardar lo que es la pierna so you can see it. That's the right technique. So it's something worth mentioning because some people they don't know that, and it's really important to do it. So well, thank you so much for that. It's really really interesting. Okay, the best way to use the machete. Okay. So well, that's right. I mean, what he's explaining is that this happens. I mean, you can cut your leg or even your hand or arm, because actually, I mean, it is like it's very sharp. The machete is really sharp, and if it is really sharp, I mean, it will just continue even if you cut something. So if it is not that sharp, what I mean, you need like you need to hit two times. But if it is like this, if you can see it, it is the really sharp. And if you use it like this, you need to be careful because it will continue. It cuts and then it continues its way. So that's what he's explaining, and it's worth mentioning because let's be honest. If I have to do it, I will make a mistake and I will cut my arm or leg. So I'm really glad to know this. Okay, well, this morning this is what we actually this is the harvest we had. Okay, this is what we got. Well, I say we, but actually I didn't do anything. It was just the work of like Madam here and Mister, and they did the difficult part. I only enjoyed, and well, I'm recording and talking about it. So well, this is what we got. Actually, you get to see this is frijol, cierto? This is beans, like beans, and also okay, they call it cargamanto. The yuca, as you saw it. Also, we have banana plantain and like bananas, so delicious. Also, look, that's the lemon tahiri, cierto? Tahiri, okay. And the bananas, okay, bananas, like bananas over here as well. Sorry, and lemon tahiri, yuca, and plantain. And well, that's what we got. Now that we are talking about machetes, look, this is the right technique if you want to actually take your banana fruits from the from the product. So what you're going to do is that you try to remove like this, and some people they will try to do it, and they will cut the fruit, because actually what you need to do is that do the right cut. Hit it where you need to hit it. Otherwise, you're not going to have the best. And if you want to sell it, so there are many things about this, like production and agriculture that we don't know in the city. So I believe that this is worth recording it and mentioning it. So look at that. Looks amazing, right? Ready to sell or ready to eat. Okay, just one morning and look all we got, and it's great. I mean, now I'll leave you with the amazing view we have from up here. Okay, that's it, guys. Remember to subscribe, comment, share, and also activate the bell so that you can know when we release a new video. See you next time.